Hi guys, quick question. When was the last time you posted an article on Facebook and got tons of traffic from it? Doesn't happen anymore, right? Rest in peace, Facebook newsfeed. But the question remains, how else do we get this Facebook audience to engage with our content? Introducing Messenger notifications. With Messenger notifications, you get to reach your audience directly in their inbox and avoid getting lost in the Facebook newsfeed. And this is not even the best part. You receive up to 20% of the CTRs and get tons of engagement on your messages. By the way, this 20% is 15 times the CTR that the newsfeed ad gets. And this is exactly why we've put together everything that there is to know about Messenger marketing in a kit. So let me quickly show you what exactly will you be getting in this kit. The first guide will help you understand the fundamentals of Messenger push notifications. This 20-minute read will cover everything from enabling Messenger notifications on your website to how do they work to the different types of opt-ins that you can use in order to acquire new subscribers and much more. Now, since Messenger push notifications are best suited for the news and media industry, the second guide would show you the 7 use cases that publishers would love to include in their engagement checklist. Up next is a guide breaking through the never-ending battle of comparisons. You'll learn how web push and Messenger push notifications coexist to help you save time and connect with your audience directly. Now, because Facebook is banning pages with the extremely bad engagement numbers, this last guide will highlight the pitfalls that you should avoid in order to minimize block rates and what exactly can be done in case you do get blocked. I know for a fact that Messenger notifications will perfectly fit your marketing stack, and these 4 guides will answer all your questions. So go ahead and download your kit now.